Hi friends, this is Relax Entertainment. In today's session, as part of Square and Cube series, let us see a easy shortcut method to find squares in 200s, 300, 400 and 500. So let us take an example 204 square. You can check the general form here. It will be a three-step process. First, we write the number 4 and take a pause. Then, in step 2, we take the last two digits of the given number and multiply with 4. As part of last step, we just square the last two digits of the given number. So we get the answer as 41616. So more than two digits, if we get the answer from while multiplying the last two digits into 4 or while squaring the last two digits, just move towards your left hand side and add the carry. Let us take another example 218 square, that is 218 square. Once again same process, we take 4, take a pause and multiply the last two digits with 4, 18 into 4, and finally we square the last two digits, that is 18 square. Already in previous videos we have seen how to square a number ending with 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So we get the answer as 47524. Once again another example 236 square. So how to do it? First step is 4, take a pause and take the last two digits and multiply with 4. We get the answer as 144. Then we square 36 square. Already we have seen the shortcut, so we can do it quickly. 1296 is 36 square. So only two digits can be there. So totally 5 digits is the answer. So anything more than that, we just move towards the left hand side and add the carry. So finally we get the answer as 55696. A very simple shortcut method. You can check the sequence for 300 now. So similarly it will start with 9 and the remaining steps are same. Only thing is the step 1 and step 2 will keep on changing. In step 1 we get 9 and take a pause. What are the last two digits here? We take the number 309. So 309 last two digits are 09. 09 into 6 and finally we square the last two digits. So we get the answer as 95481. See the general form, it is 9 last two digits into 6. See the pattern here. In previous for 200s to find the square, it is last two digits into 4. Here now for 300 it is last two digits into 6. Once again we take another example 314 square. Do the steps. We get the final answer as, since 196 we just carry over the 1 towards the left hand side, we get the answer as 98596. Let us take another example 336 square. Once again 9, take a pause, last two digits are 36, 36 into 6, then we square the last two digits. So we get the answer as 9, 36 into 6 is 216 and 36 square. Please watch the previous videos, it will be really helpful for you. So 36 square is 1296. We get the final answer as 112896. Really helpful while doing simplification problems. So let us now see to find the squares in 400. Any number you can take, higher the number, the multiplication part will be difficult. But since you are already thorough with how to find the squares for a two digit number, after watching those videos, if you carry on with the preceding videos, it will be really helpful for you. So 404 square, once again similar general form, just the first step and the second step will change. Here we multiply the last two digits with 8. So 404 we get the answer as 16, 32 and 16. So 417 square. Once again 16, the last two digits are 17 of the given number and multiply with 8. In 200, multiply with 4. For 300, we multiplied with 6. Now for 400, we take the last two digits and multiply with 8. And finally, we square the last two digits. We get the answer as any carryover, just move towards your left hand side. We get the answer as 17, 36 plus 2 is 38 and 89. Let us take another example, 445. Ending in 5, always it will be easy. So let us take 16, split into 3 parts. 16, in step 1, we take the 445 square. So we take 16, take a pause and take the last two digits and multiply with 8. And final step, we square the last two digits, that is 45 square. So it will be 16, it is 16, 45 into 8 is 360 and 45 square is nothing but 25, 2025 is the answer for 45 square. So move the 20 towards your left hand side and 3 towards the 16. We get the answer as 19, 60 plus 20 is 80 and 25. It may look a little bit difficult, but once you practice, it will be really helpful and easy to calculate while doing simplification problems. Now let us look into how to find square in 500. So general form is 25, the last two digits we multiply with 10 and finally we square the last two digits. So let us take 507 square. So 25 last two digits it's 07 into 10 and finally we square the last two digits. We get the answer as 257049. Let me write again, 257049. Very easy step to remember. Once you check the sequence here for 2, 3, 4 and 5, you can create an analog key and remember those steps. So for 537 square, once again similarly 25, take a pause, take the last two digits and multiply with 10 and finally square the last two digits. We get the answer as 25, 370 and 37 square is nothing but ending with 7. We have already seen the shortcut method for that one. We get the answer as 1369. So we just move the carryovers to the left hand side. We get the answer as 288369. Let us take an example of 515 square. Similarly 25, take a pause, take the last two digits and multiply with 10 and finally square the last two digits. So it will be 25 and we get 150 here and we get 225. So we move the 2 towards the left hand side and 1 towards the left hand side. So 26. So 265225 is the final answer.